Hey, Yardee Nation. Ed Wallace here, your landscaping coach. I have a quick but very important update for our channel. Over the years, this channel has become a real place for education. Whether you're talking about landscape irrigation, hardscaping techniques and ideas, soil health, pest control, all these different components come together for the do-it-yourself landscaper and also for the professional alike. You come to this channel looking for tips, ideas, and results to your questions and to the different challenges that you have in your own landscaping experiences. Recently, I realized something very important. Mixing YouTube shorts with long form videos is basically slowing the channel down, and it's not giving you the educational component that I think the viewers really are looking for when it comes to the channel of your landscaping coach. So what we're going to do is we're going to separate these. We're going to separate and start a new channel. It's going to be called Yardee Nation Shorts. With this new channel, we'll be able to concentrate on learning on your landscaping coach channel. We'll be able to get into a deeper dive and learning experience. But with our YouTube shorts, basically our Yardee Nation shorts, we'll be able to give you something quick, concise, educational, to the point, and something that you will enjoy, whether you're sitting in the car driving or if you're at home and getting ready to put something on the stove or on the grill and you just want a quick message that'll give you some inspiration and encouragement in your landscaping. All shorts off of our long form platform, your landscaping coach, over to our new platform will be Yardee Nation Shorts. We'll get rapid fire messages. You'll get really concise information in a short form, and that way you can be able to really enjoy it and put it to use right away. But on our long form, on your landscaping coach, we'll get more into a deep dive of educational components, the how, the why, the if and the ands and the buts. We'll get into all that. So I'm looking forward to the transition of changing over our shorts to our shorts format and our long form into our landscaping coach. And I'm quite sure that as this transition happens, we'll grow together and things are going to be great as we move into the new year of 2026 with your landscaping coach. Please hit the link in the description or go to our pinned comments and subscribe to our new channel, Yardee Nation Shorts, so you don't miss one episode. And also, you'll be able to see the transition and see the power behind our group and our Yardee Nation. I really appreciate you over the years of supporting the channel, and I look forward to hopefully one day getting to meet each and every one of you, either through a DM or even in person. So I'm excited about the new transition. I look forward to the rollout. I'm working on it right now, so I'm aiming at like December the 15th or somewhere in there that we can be able to transition everything over to the shorts. So stay tuned so we can be able to educate, empower, embrace and empower you to do the best in landscaping, because you know what? I'm your landscaping coach.